A big fat hello to all the advanced English learners who placed their trust on me and decided to pursue this course with me. So today let me share the course guide with you so you could derive maximum learnings out of it. Okay, so there are 4 modules as you have already seen. The first one is grammar. So this module teaches you grammar in the most advanced manner. We teach you grammar which is actually relevant to your English communication skills. All the sentences are in conversational English. Means if you learn a particular grammar pattern, let's say you learn conditionals or you learn passive voice or past perfect tense, you will be able to analyze their actual usage in the language, like had plus third form of verb, being, would have been, had or would have को किस contrast में use करना है. You will learn all that stuff. So you never feel limited in terms of constructing sentences, and your thinking time should be reduced to 0. It should not take you much time to think how this particular sentence should be translated from your mother tongue to English. Because I have seen many advanced learners committing mistakes on that. They are not sure that how the sentence should be constructed, and they struggle a lot to frame a complex sentence in English. So if you follow these advanced grammar lectures, trust me, your language proficiency is going to reach to the next level within 5 days, because you will not feel restricted in terms of constructing sentences. This is level 1. After that, you need to start with ready-made English expressions. Now, the motive of designing this module is to tell you that if you want to beautify your English communication skills, you need not to learn so many advanced words, so many high-end vocabulary words. Rather, you need to train your brain to pick up some sort of ready-made English expressions, ready-made English sentences, which helps you to communicate your idea in the most beautiful manner. So you will be learning so many ready-made English expressions with me, which will help you at different situations. But it's not about just teaching you these handful English sentences or expressions. The motive here is to tell you that you need not to learn individual vocabulary words. Rather, you need to train your brain to pick up complete English expressions, which helps you to convey your ideas in a fraction of a second. You don't have to think a lot about how I'm gonna say it, and neither you rely on translation that okay, I will be translating the sentence from Hindi to English. It should just come out so naturally. So I have done around 10 videos on this ready-made English expressions, but it's just about to give you a fair idea that what should be your approach to improve your English vocabulary. Okay, besides this, I would like you to install this application called Evernote. So this is an online application which allows you to make your notes, and in case you change your device in the future, all your notes are safely transferred from one device to another. Now the task here is, if you stumble upon any new English expression or English sentence, maybe you're watching an English movie or you're reading newspaper, you're reading some novel, if you come across any new expression, any new English sentence, you quickly make a note of that. Just write that sentence down in your Evernote, and this is how you will grow your language proficiency enormously. Learning a language is a slow process and it takes a lot of time. So if you want to master it, you have to develop this habit of making notes of all the beautiful expressions you come across. So if you continue this practice for a month or for 2 months, you will see that you have already got a very good collection of your own sentences. And whenever you have some free time, maybe before you go to bed or maybe in the afternoon, whenever you have some free time, you can quickly go through all these English sentences. This is how slowly and gradually you will be able to grow your language capabilities enormously. I have already done it. This is how I have improved. I was not privileged enough to attend a very good university or school. Whatever I am speaking now or I'm teaching now, it is all self-learned. And these are the small techniques I have followed, which I would like to pass on. So do install this application Evernote, and promise me, if you stumble upon any new expression, you are gonna quickly make a note of it. And the third module is Fluency Builder. This particular module teaches you How to speak English in a natural manner. English is a rhythmic language, right? It has rise and fall of the pitch. And let me tell you this, the beauty of English language lies in the way it is pronounced. So you need to change the way you speak English. If no matter whether you are at an advanced level or you are just starting with the language, you need to learn how you can speak simple sentences beautifully. So your English sounds amazing because it's all about fake it, make it. English is a vast language and it will take you forever to master it. But for now, in this course, I need you to have this understanding that you need not to be so proficient in order to hold English conversations. All you need to do is to build the right attitude and you need to improve on your voice quality. So when you speak English, it sounds acceptable and it sounds beautiful, melodious. Okay, so the third module is all about helping you improving on
Lesson
your
8,
voice tonality.
Gym small
you listen
talk.
to the dialogues and you
Section
repeat it
1,
afterwards.
repetition.
It should go back and
You've
forth.
been using
Listen,
this gym
repeat.
long?
Listen, repeat. You listen to a native English speaker and
You've been
you
using
follow
this
the
gym
way
long?
he's speaking. It's going to help you to improve on your
How do you find the
voice.
facilities?
So you could speak English with a native-like quality. And the fourth module is 45-day English Fluency Challenge. This module is actually designed for you guys. If your basic English is pretty good, you are comfortable constructing any sentence in English, leave that aside. Okay? Rather you start with your 45 days English Fluency Challenge. There you will be learning so many English expressions, you will learn English conversations, you will have speaking practice, and the motive of assigning you all different kind of challenges is to drag you out of your comfort zone so you could outperform yourself, you could realize your actual potential. होता क्या है कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख लेते हैं, आपको सब कुछ आ गया, but still you are not confident whether you are speaking it in a right manner or not. So my whole intention is to drag you out of your comfort level and instruct you step by step so you could grow your language competency effortlessly. The problem with advanced learner is at some point they feel lost that okay, now what? I have learned grammar, I know all the basic vocabulary words, but still my English is broken. How I'm going to fix that? So the target is I have designed this 45 days journey. You follow it step by step. It's okay if you're good with grammar and vocabulary, just directly start with this module. Follow all the instructions given. Learn English expressions, master English conversational skills, follow all the instructions and you see the difference. At first, you may find it a little weird to follow all these different kinds of challenges and you may ask yourself, why do I even need to participate? Come on, this course is just for 499 rupees. I can't follow it because I haven't paid 16,500. This is what we charge for our physical classes. So you may be like, oh, I need not to follow everything she says, but that's wrong. If you want to improve, no another trainer can help you. This is a proven formula we have followed here to give you the best. Alright? All the best. If you have any queries, please feel free to sound off in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you. All the best. Keep learning, keep growing.